I want to tell you that you can block roads, but you can never block the determination of the people. You can kill people using guns and thugs, but you can never kill the spirit of a nation that has decided to bring changes in this country. Let's meet in 2027. A line is fully drawn. You are either on our side or on the other side. We've taken a line, we've taken sides, and we want to execute from where we are. The spirit of Baba, wherever he is not happy with what is happening in his own party, ODM, which is the Orange Democratic Movement. Where is the democracy? Where has the D turned out to be the demon? Why? Thank you.